Estoy buscando.
I am looking for. I am looking for.
Me gustaría algo.
I'd like something. I'd like something.
¿Cuánto vale?
How much is it? How much is it?
¿Tienes?
Do you have? Do you have?
Estoy buscando un centro comercial.
I am looking for a shopping center. I am looking for a shopping center.
Por favor, ¿puedes enseñármelo?
Please show me. Please show me.
Es demasiado caro.
This is too expensive. This is too expensive.
¿Dónde hay unos grandes almacenes?
Where can I find a department store? Where can I find a department store?
¿Dónde hay una tienda de regalos?
Where can I find a gift shop? Where can I find a gift shop?
¿Dónde hay un mercado?
Where can I find a market? Where can I find a market?
¿Dónde hay una tienda de ropa?
Where can I find a clothing store? Where can I find a clothing store?
Me gustaría probarlo.
I'd like to try it on. I'd like to try it on.
No me vale.
It does not fit. It does not fit.
Me queda muy bien.
It fits very well. It fits very well.
Me gustaría algo más.
I'd like something else. I'd like something else.
Me lo quedo.
I will take it. I will take it.